Hello there. Are you tired of dealing with that pesky vaginal discharge? You're not alone. Millions of women experience it, and it can be uncomfortable, embarrassing, and downright frustrating. But don't worry. You're about to discover some amazing home remedies that can help you find relief. Stick around because I'm going to share some tried and true tips that will leave you feeling fresh and confident. And as a bonus, I'll reveal a secret ingredient that can work wonders for your intimate health. Vaginal discharge is a normal part of a woman's reproductive system, but when it becomes excessive, has an unusual odor, or causes discomfort, it can be a real problem. Today, we're diving deep into the world of home remedies to help you manage vaginal discharge naturally. I'll share some effective and easy-to-follow methods that can help you find relief and restore your comfort. Remember, while these remedies can be helpful, it's crucial to consult a healthcare provider for any persistent or unusual symptoms. Vaginal discharge is a normal bodily function, and most women experience it. It's a clear or whitish fluid produced by the glands in the cervix. Its role is to keep the vagina clean and moist. However, changes in its color, consistency, odor, or amount can indicate an underlying issue. Let's first discuss the two types of vaginal discharge. Number 1. Normal discharge. This is typically clear, white or slightly yellow, and has a mild odor. Its consistency can range from thin and stretchy to thick and cloudy. Number 2. Abnormal discharge. This can vary in color, consistency, and odor. It may be white, gray, yellow, or green, and have a foul smell. It can also be accompanied by itching, burning, or pain. The best attitude to avoiding a bad vagina discharge is by maintaining good hygiene. You can maintain a good hygiene and for different ways. Number 1. Gentle cleansing. Use mild, unscented soap to wash the vulva, the outer part of the vagina, daily. Avoid douching as it can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria in the vagina. Number 2. Cotton underwear. Opt for breathable cotton underwear over synthetic fabrics to reduce moisture buildup. Number 3. Regular changing. Change your underwear daily and after exercise or sweating. Number 4. Proper wiping. Always wipe from front to back after using the toilet to prevent bacteria from the anus from entering the vagina. What are the causes of abnormal discharge? Several factors can contribute to abnormal vaginal discharge. Let's discuss some of them. 1. Bacterial vaginosis. This is an imbalance of bacteria in the vagina. 2. Yeast infection, caused by an overgrowth of Candida fungus. 3. Trichomoniasis, a sexually transmitted infection, STI. 4. Pelvic inflammatory disease, PID, an infection of the reproductive organs. 5. Other STIs, such as gonorrhea or chlamydia. 6. Menopause. Hormonal changes can affect the vaginal environment. 7. Certain medications. Some medications can alter vaginal discharge. Now to the main point. What are the home remedies for vaginal discharge? Number 1. Yogurt. Yogurt contains probiotics, beneficial bacteria that can help restore the balance of vaginal flora. Look for plain, unsweetened yogurt with live cultures. Apply a small amount externally to the vaginal area, avoiding internal use. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic has antifungal and antibacterial properties. However, direct vaginal application can cause irritation. Consuming garlic in your diet might be beneficial. You can add it to your meals or take garlic supplements. Number 3. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antimicrobial properties. However, it can be irritating to the skin. Dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut oil before applying a small amount externally to the vaginal area. Avoid internal use. Number 4. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has antifungal and antibacterial properties. It can also soothe the irritated skin. Apply a small amount of coconut oil externally to the vaginal area. Number 5. Sitz baths. Sitz baths involve soaking your lower body in warm water. This can help relieve discomfort and inflammation. You can add Epsom salt or apple cider vinegar to the water for potential added benefits. Another good remedy is lifestyle changes. Several lifestyle changes can help prevent and manage vaginal discharge. Let's discuss some of them. 1. Wear breathable underwear. Cotton underwear allows better air circulation, reducing moisture buildup. 2. You must avoid tight-fitting clothing. Tight clothing can trap moisture, creating a favorable environment for bacteria growth. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain overall bodily fluids and vaginal health. And 4. Avoid douching and scented products. Douching can disrupt the vaginal balance, while scented products can irritate the sensitive area. Now for the bonus. The secret ingredient for maintaining vaginal health is a balanced diet. Foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals can support your body's natural defenses. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet for optimal results. Okay, when are you to see a doctor? It's essential to consult a healthcare provider if you experience the following: vaginal discharge with a strong, unpleasant odor, green, yellow, or gray discharge, discharge accompanied by itching, burning, or pain, fever, pelvic pain, abnormal bleeding. Early diagnosis and treatment are crucial for managing vaginal discharge effectively and preventing complications. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Share this video with your friends to spread the knowledge. Don't forget to check out our other videos on natural remedies. Remember, while home remedies can be beneficial, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional for any concerns. Take care of yourself and stay healthy.